Have you ever found yourself tediously typing out every word for your video captions, only to realize there's a faster and smarter way to get the job done? If you've been neglecting the power of AI, you're missing out on a game-changing feature in Capcut. Let's fix that right now. By leveraging the power of AI subtitles in Capcut, you'll save time, effort, and still deliver top-notch content. Don't let this powerful feature go unnoticed. If you've been manually typing out captions, it's time to embrace the future of video editing. Give this method a try, and let me know how it transforms your editing process. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Capcut tips and tricks. First things first, let me show you where to find the magical AI-powered caption tool in Capcut. Head over to the Text tab, and you'll see an option that says AI Subtitle. Click on AI Subtitle, and voila! Capcut will automatically transcribe and add captions to your video. It's like having your own personal transcriptionist right in your editing tool. But wait, there's more. You can customize the style, font, and position of your AI-generated captions. Tailor them to match your video's aesthetic, making your content not only informative but visually appealing too. Now, if the AI misses a word or two, don't worry. Capcut allows you to easily edit and refine your captions. Just select the caption, make your adjustments, and you're good to go.